natural health enthusiasts. What is grounding and why should you try it? Have you heard of grounding? And no, mamas and papas, I am not talking about a timeout. I'm talking about grounding, also called earthing. It's literally about connecting to the earth surface directly, like literally walking barefoot on grass or sand, and it's actually got amazing health benefits. Now, let's break it down. So the perks of grounding, pain, inflammation, literally be gone. Now, if you're feeling sore, grounding might actually help reduce inflammation and pain by balancing your body's electrical charge. Now, if you're struggling to sleep and literally want to sleep like a little baby, studies have shown that grounding could actually improve sleep quality and help you snooze longer. Now, if you're looking for a healing power-up, you got a cut or a bruise, grounding might actually help speed up your body's healing process. Now, if you're feeling stressed at all, literally not anymore. If you're stressed, grounding could actually boost your mood and literally help you chill out. Now, for better blood flow, grounding can actually improve blood flow and even lower blood viscosity, which is amazing for your heart. Now, how does grounding work? So when you make contact with the earth, your body actually taps in to the earth's natural electrical charge, which is pretty cool. And it actually might help you balance your own energy, reduce inflammation, and actually promote overall health, which is super cool and super easy to do. Now, before you embark on this journey of grounding, a few things to keep in mind. While grounding has some promising health benefits, it's literally not a substitute for professional medical advice. So if you have an issue, definitely go to your doctor. And obviously more research is needed to fully understand the potential perks of grounding. All in all, next time you're at the park or you're at the beach, why not just take off your shoes and your socks and literally just ground yourself? Your body might actually just thank you for it. And don't forget to like, share, as well as subscribe for more cool health tips. Thanks so much.